Yeah, this class we will not do the proof. We will do those called exterior angle theorem. Even though we see this thing before, but this is the first time we do this kind of calculations. Let's see here. Look at this. The angles here together, total interior angle summation is 180. So we can easily get the x. So suppose this is x 80. Let's do this question together, please.
Hello.
Let's do this one together.
So
You
the
plus
angles
them.
of triangle add up to 180.
Sure. Let's
So
do 65 plus
65 plus 57
and
equals to 122.
so x will equals to how much?
180
80.
minus 122,
Good. This become
which is
this equals
180.
this is 58, right?
Yes.
58 degree. Okay.
Hmm.
Next one, you do one more. Inside this right triangle, together is 180. This is 90. So these two plus together will be how much?
Will be 90.
We have the right triangle. We call this two angle complementary to each other. This is complementary angle. So immediately we will see this x is going to be 90 degree minus 40. So far, so good?
Yes.
Next one. Look at here. For this one, they are not asking you. So they are looking for this angle. So what do you think? How do we get this guy here? Have this, so we will be able to tell how much is here. How much
those two would add up to 180. So,
yeah. So this angle will be 43, right?
Yes.
These two is called supplementary to each other. Now, look at here. It's true. We can do this plus this. We can plus these two numbers together and then use 180 to minus the summation and then get here, and then use 180 minus this again to get here. But today we will learn a new theorem. It's called as exterior angle theorem. What does this mean? Look at this. If you see this guy is A, this guy here is B. Oh, hold on. I want to call alpha beta. Learn algebra 1 first, then we learn geometry. After geometry, student will learn algebra 2. After algebra 2, we will learn something called trigonometry or pre-calculus. In pre-calculus, all those letters are often used by the Greek letters like alpha, beta, gamma. So I want to call this angle alpha, this angle beta. Now, based on the interior angle summation, alpha plus 43 plus 102 equals to how much? Equals 180, right?
180.
And alpha plus beta also equals to 180, right?
Yes.
This is what? This is because linear pair, right?
Yes.
This two is linear pair. So look at this. These two are the same. These two are the same. So beta is equals to this. So we can have one step. Say beta is equals to 43 plus 102, which is 145. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Everybody pay attention to here. This is our today's major topic. It's called exterior angle theorem. For any triangle, you have angle like that. This is called exterior angle. This exterior angle is going to equals to the other two non-adjacent angle summation. This guy is exterior angle for this angle. This guy will equals to the other two non-adjacent angle. Adjacent means neighbor. This guy and this guy is called adjacent angle. This guy and this guy are non-adjacent. This guy and this guy are non-adjacent. So the beta is equals to the other two non-adjacent angle summation. So we don't need to write down these steps. We just say, okay, beta equals to the other two summation. That's it. Okay. So far, so good. Makes sense. Next one. Annie, welcome back to my class. Okay. Now, look at here. This is 35. So this angle will also be
35.
This is because vertical angle. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, based on the exterior angle theorem, how much will be here?
It'd be 135.
Very good. Excellent. This is 135. We can get it quickly. Next one. I'm going to erase my work. See here. This guy will be how much? We can get here first, quickly, right?
Mm-hmm.
How much is this?
30.
This guy is exterior angle for this angle. So this will equals this two summation, right?
Yeah.
So this will equals how much?
50.
50. And then the question mark here will be how much?
130.
Good job. Very good. Now look at this, Annie. You have 65 here, 60 here, and you have 50 here, and they ask us for this angle. So we'll have to do this part first. Let's figure out how much is here.
So we would do 60 plus 65, which is 125, and 180 minus 125, which is 55.
Good. 55 degree. If this is 55 degree, let's figure out how much will be here.
It would do 50 plus 55, which is 105, and
Sure.
180 minus 105, which is 75.
Excellent. This is 75 degree right here. And then we will be able to push to this angle. Go ahead, please. Because
70,
it's gamma.
75 plus 35 is 110, and 180 minus 110 is 70.
Very good. So gamma is 70 degree. Okay. Excellent work. Thank you. Next one. Let's take a look at it over here. Angela, let's take a look at this graph here. We are looking for this angle. So if we want to get this angle, we might want to say, we probably want to know how much here, right? But we won't be able to get this angle directly. So we will do little by little. First, this is 115. Look at this. This 115 is this guy's exterior angle. So that means 115 is here plus here, correct? If I call here alpha, 115 should equals to who?
Equals alpha plus 85.
Yes. So 115 is going to equals to alpha plus 85. So alpha will be
30.
30 degree. Now, all this together is 180. This guy is showing 90 degrees. So how much should be this? How much will be this?
70.
This will be, see here, 90. These two together will be
Sorry,
90.
Yeah,
So this is 60,
Oh.
right?
yeah.
This guy is 60. Now, look at this. This guy is 155. I can make this angle to be X. This guy is this angle's exterior angle. So 155 equals to who? 155 equals who plus who?
Equals
55 equals to 60 plus X. So far, so good.
yes.
This guy is going to be, this is the exterior angle for this. And this guy will be the other two non-adjacent angle summation. Because that guy plus here is 180. This two plus here is 180. That's why this guy equals this two. So we have this equation. And then X will be
It's 95.
95, right?
Yes.
Next, you have X as 95. So this question angle will be how much? Linear pair, you do 180 minus, right?
Yes.
Equals
85.
85. That's it. Make sense now? When we see this graph, if we want to immediately get this angle, we might not be able to. So we from the given condition, we push to here. And then by here, we are able to push here. And from here, we are able to go over here. And then we come back to here. Okay, number 13. If any student still have trouble, ask me for help. You do one more, please, Angela. Look at here. You have this angle as 156. And then they ask that angle. What do you think? Do you figure out this angle?
The vertical angle.
This two is vertical angle. These two equal, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Look, these two vertical angle equal. 1, 2, 3 together is 180. 1, 2, 3 together is 180. That means this guy plus this guy should equals to this plus this, correct? That makes sense?
Yes.
See, 1, 2, 3 together is 180. 1, 2, 3 together is 180. These two equal. That means here plus here is exactly equals to here plus here. Now, this is 156. So how much will be this? Linear pair. Go ahead. 180 minus 156 will be?
24.
This is 24. And then here you say alpha, you don't know. So what's the equation? Go ahead, please.
Equation for alpha.
So you have this plus equals this plus, correct?
Yes.
That makes sense?
Alpha. Yes. So 24 plus alpha equals 20 plus 35.
Good. So alpha equals to 55 minus 24, right?
Yes.
Alpha B.
31.
Good job. That's it. Next one. Yeah, at the beginning, it's just one step, and then it's going to be more and more step, okay? So we cannot just only do those easy questions. Jeffrey, let's see number 15. This is 45. Yeah,
Yeah.
you want to go here.
So 45 vertical angle down, so
Yeah,
that
I'm
angle
going to
becomes
put this.
45.
Yeah,
And then 45 plus 60 to get 105. So
good.
the exterior angle is
Yes,
105 minus 68,
good, very good.
37.
Excellent. Hold on.
And
Oh.
then
Yeah,
37.
hold on. Hold on. So Jeffrey said this together is this together 105, and 105 minus 68 give you how much?
37.
37. So 37 is this one. And then
And then 137 exterior angle.
good job, very good. Excellent. This is beautiful. Okay, yeah, very good. Next one. You do one more, please.
Okay, the 75 vertical angle
Yeah, I'm gonna push this one right here. Mm-hmm.
and the 45 also vertical angle,
Yes.
and then exterior angle. So 45 plus 75 is 120,
Mm-hmm.
and 120 minus 79 is 41. And then exterior angle, it's 109.
Very good. Uh-huh. Fast and accurate. This is perfect job. Thank you, Jeffrey. Now you guys see algebra come back. Yeah, but the reason you learn algebra before geometry is you need to use algebra to solve geometry. This thing right here is just only one variable equation. So let's see here. Look at the number 20. Steven, let's see number 20.
I solve for x, right?
Yeah, we solve for x. So what we do?
It's since you can put the vertical angle, so you can switch
Good.
80,
That's a good
80 and
starting point.
60,
Thank you.
and
then
you add all of them up
yes,
equals 180 and just find x.
yes. Let's go. Goes to 180. And then
80 plus 60 is 140, so
yes,
it's negative 11.
yes. So this is 180 minus 140, which is 40, and then you get x equals negative 11. Yeah, we have so many smart boys here. Very good. One more. Let's see here. Did you notice that? This is 90 degrees, so this two angle is called what? This two
Just
is called, this is called what?
complementary,
Yes, so their summation will be
90 degrees.
good. Go ahead.
Oh, I do 22.
So you plus this
Equals
and
90.
90, and then 2x plus
104
104,
equals 90.
and then 2x equals
Negative 14. X equals to negative 7.
equals negative 7. But watch out here. This one is not asking you for x. This one is asking for a. So you want to plug in. Yeah.
X equals to 30.
Yeah. So no, you do say x equals 30. You say measurement of angle A is 37 degree minus 7 degree, which is 30 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Next one, Timothy. Look at this. This guy can push there. Then what you do?
So 3x minus 6.
This guy is the same here. Okay, so I
yeah.
push here. Yeah, go ahead.
So it's 3x minus 6 plus ax plus 4 equals 180 to 130.
130. Yeah, good job. Very good.
Um
This guy is equals this to summation. Next,
So it's 11x minus 2 equals 130. 11x equals 132. 11 equals
x equals,
x equals 12.
good, very good. Yeah. That's beautiful, Timothy. Next one, do this one.
The vertical angle is 4x
Yes,
117.
yes. Mm-hmm.
And it becomes 8 x plus 23 plus 4x plus 17 equals 80
Plus 80.
plus 80 equals
Yeah, 180, right?
180. Yeah.
Good, good. And then combine.
5x plus 40 plus 120.
Yes. Yes, good. Plus 120 equals
180.
180. Good. So 5x become?
5x equals 12. I mean x equals 12.
Yeah, very good. Oh my gosh, all these three boys are so smart now. They can do super fast and 100% correct. Very good. Everybody show happy face. This is good. I'm very happy, okay? Next one. Let's talk about we have more questions here. Let's see if everybody's doing good. I'm going to maybe we can make some competition math questions, okay? Let's see here. I'm going to show this graph. I'm going to call Sophie. Let's see how we solve this one.
You can do 11x plus 180 plus 2 plus x equals 180.
Okay, hold on. This guy is the exterior angle. This guy plus here is 180. This 2 plus here is 180. So this 3 is going to be this guy equals this 2, right?
Yeah.
Go. It's okay.
11
Equals.
plus 2 equals 5x plus 10 plus 58.
And then
You can do 16x equal to 16x plus 2 is equal to
Eh? Hold on. You move this to this side, it's minus.
okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So this is 68 minus 2. Okay, and then
6x is equal to 66, x is equal to 11.
let's check. They ask us for x. Yeah, if it says solve for x, that's it. If they say oh, solve for t, then we have to plug in, show one more step. All right. Next one. Let me see. You do one more. Let's do 16, please.
14x plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 7 plus 89. So then it will be 9x is equal to 83.
So 9 minus 7 is 82. 82 minus 1 is 81, right?
Oh yeah.
So 9x is 81. And then x will be,
X is equal to 9.
and then we will plug in to what?
5 times 9 is 45 minus 7. Minus 7 is equal to 38.
Good job. That's it. Yeah, very good. Next one. Let's see. 18. Let's do number 18, please. So see here. That guy. That guy is this angle. Go ahead, please. Yeah, go ahead. is the exterior angle, right? Look, that guy
Yes.
plus here is 180. This two guy plus here is also 180. So this equals to who?
Yes.
So that means this 15x plus 5, this is called the exterior angle. It's going to equals to the other two non-adjacent angle summation, right?
Mm.
That makes sense?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and solve it. The left side copy down, the right side combine will be
Will be 86 plus 6x.
86 plus 6x, and then
You can minus
Move
the
around.
6x from both sides
so 9x equals
equals 81.
good. X will become
9.
9. And then we will put back to get YDC is here. Let's plug in.
15 times 9 plus 5.
Look, we can do some, yeah, you can just do this multiplication, or you can just take out the 5. This is 5 times 15 over 5 is 3. So 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1, right?
Yes.
This is 5 by 28. And then when I see this, when I times 5, I always look, in my mind, I don't do this. I'm going to times the 2 for top and the bottom. And then in my mind, I say, oh, this is half of it is 14 times 10 is 140. Okay. That makes sense. That's it, right? 140.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now, I don't think this worksheet has any difficult question. And let's see if we have more complicated over here. Yeah, let's see something right here. Any. In this graph 8, we want to get that angle. So we won't be able to get this one immediately. Let's figure out this triangle first.
So 80 plus 50 is 130,
Good.
and 180 minus 130 is 50.
This guy is 50.
And
then?
The angle on the bottom of 65 is 90 degrees.
Yes.
So 65 plus 90 would be 155 degrees.
Yeah.
And 180 minus 155 is 25 degrees.
Good. And we all can also say this way, because this is 90. So this 2 is called complementary. So this 2 together is 90. This is 65, so this will become?
25.
Yeah. In this way, 90 minus this, get this, okay? That makes sense.
Yes.
So this is 25 degree. Okay? Yeah. And then, how much will be here?
And then over there would be 75.
Good. This is 75 degree. That's it. That's the one. I'm going to let you do this one right here. Then in geometry, they show you this thing. That means they mean these two angles equal. So this is the isosceles triangle. So you can solve this guy first. How much is this?
We do 180 minus 56, which is 124. And if we divide that by 2, it'd be 62.
Good. $62 will be how much?
And then 62. Wait, what do you mean?
Can see this guy equals this summation, right?
Yeah.
So
So 62 would be equal to 2x, and x would be equal to 31.
yes, x plus x is going to be 62. So 2x equals to 62. X equals to 31, right?
Yes.
All right. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to make the question difficult. Okay, yeah, because I see all the students can handle this kind of question. So I would like to give some challenge questions. I do want to teach students some hard topic and make you all able to get like 100 for your geometry. Okay, let's do some hard questions. To use some PSAT question to train your guys. Don't be scared. It's not going to be hard. You guys can do it. So let's see here. Look at this. The first one, I'm going to call Angela. Let's see here. In this graph, they show you this angle is X. They show you this angle is Y. Let's figure out how much is X plus Y. You can calculate X will be. X will be how much? See, this is the exterior angle of these two, right?
Yeah.
So X is
120.
X is 120 degree. And then how much will be Y? You can push this to be 40. So Y is how much? Your voice is very small, so I make it louder, but still, Y is how much?
Is it better?
Yes, better, way more
Okay.
better.
Okay. Y is 110.
Y is 110. And then this plus together give you a 230, right?
Yes.
But this is first one. And then next one, look at here. Do you see what happened to here?
Oh, X and Y are vertical angles.
So X equals to Y. This part will be how much?
2X.
Good. And this is how much total together?
180.
So whole together is 180.
6X is 180. So X is
6X is 180. So X is 30 degree. 30 degrees. So Y is also 30 degree. Okay.
yes.
Next one. We already learned the parallel lines. If the two lines parallel, we will have the, say, corresponding angle equal. We will have the alternate interior angle equal. We will have the same side interior angle supplementary to each other. Now, look at this. That X is this X, vertical angle, right?
Yes.
So X is here. And then, based on this, can you give me a formula to solve the X, please?
So 37
Yes.
is equal to the third angle
Look. Look. This two line parallel. This two is called corresponding angle, right?
yes.
Yeah. So this is also 37, right?
Yes.
Or you can say this is the same side exterior angle. Yeah. This is same side, this is exterior. So you can do this plus this directly. It's going to equals to 180. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Let's solve this, please.
Okay. So, X is 85.
This is 85. This is 95 plus 85. That's it. Make sense now?
Yes.
Now look, everything here is using the same thing that we learned today. Yeah, very basic one. Next one. Jeffrey, give you some challenge question. So I'm going to put my notes. Yeah, I'm going to make some challenge question for you. Hold on. Do you have a earbud? Oh yeah.
What?
So you have, yeah, because I can hear your dad is talking.
Oh.
Your dad is talking about computer science, I know. So you have this one. You have this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are they
We want
supposed
to-
be equal?
No, you don't know if they are equal. They are not equal. I on purpose not draw a regular one. But you want to know this interior angle summation. Yeah. So we can split this guy into this. You said, yeah, sorry, you can mute yourself first. Yeah, because your dad's voice is too loud. Okay, I'm going to call next student, Steven. Let's figure out this guy's interior angle. We want to
okay.
see this plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, all the way plus to here to see how much. So,
Alright, so
we
I think you
split.
do.
Yeah, we split into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 triangle, right?
Yeah,
This is 180. Another 180. Another 180. Another 180. You have how many? 180 times 4.
yeah, 720.
720. You have how many sides?
Sides are 6.
You have 6. So for the inside polygon, interior angle summation equals to 180 times parentheses n minus 2. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So this can be proved. You see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can cut this into 4 triangle. If you have 7 sides, you will be able to cut into 5 triangle. That's why the interior angle summation is always this, correct?
Yeah.
And then we want to figure out the exterior angle. Polygon. You extend the side. Go outside, outside, extend by a straight line. This guy is called the exterior angle. This guy is called exterior angle. Over here, write down these notes on your own paper. Look, all my boys and girls, please treat my class just like your piano class or your dancing class. If you come to my class with only your eyes or ears, you won't be able to learn anything. Just like you go to your dance class or piano class. If you only hear what your teacher play or watch what your teacher play, but without your own fingers, you will not be able to learn anything. Do you see any pianist can play beautiful piano by just watching others' video. Not possible. Same thing for math. If you don't use your own hands to do this practice so that you have your muscle memory and your brain memory all together, then you will be able to truly understand. Otherwise, you won't be able to do any hard question. Please write down this. The thing I teach you are pretty important. The thing I have here might save you for your geometry course and also your standard test. So you have this. Now the blue one is called exterior angle. Try to make this too. This is flat. This is flat. Did you see any person can swim very well by just watching a YouTube? Say, oh yeah, you know what? I watched 10,000 YouTube about swimming lessons, but I never ever tried to swim in the pool. Do you think that person can swim? Not possible. Same thing for math. So look at this. This guy plus this guy plus this guy plus this, plus this, plus this. I ask anybody know all this blue angle summation together will be how much? Does anybody know?
360.
Yes. That's beautiful answer. Good job, Jeffrey, right? You give that correct answer. Who else? If you think it's 360, go ahead, proof. Do your work. Tell me why those blue angle.
360 equals exterior.
Yes. Jeffrey said this summation is 360. Do you believe so?
Yeah, I agree.
Then let's prove this is true. How do we prove this is true? Look at here.
I just did 180.
Yes.
180 n minus
Yes.
the interior sum.
Yes. Good. Look. So suppose this is flat angle. This is 180. 180. 180. All of them is 180. You have how many 180? You have n, right? Total number of sides is n. So you have total 180 times n. This is what? This is called interior plus exterior. Interior plus exterior. Each guy is 180. You have n sides, so it's 180 times n equals interior is 180 times n minus 2. This is interior plus exterior. 180 times n equals this plus 180 times 2, which is 360 degree. All right. This guy equals this plus this. 180 minus times -2 plus this equals that. That's why the exterior is always 360. No matter what kind of polygon you draw. You can draw many sides polygon like this. This one I on purpose to draw many sides. Yeah, see? I draw this polygon. This guy has so many different sides. Yeah, you see? This one, even though it has so many different sides, but always the exterior angle summation is 180. It is true. Yes. Yeah, no matter what my shape is, doesn't matter how many sides, the exterior angle summation always equals 180. All right. Now with this, we come back to see this the guy right here. Look at this. This guy right here. So Steve, you can do this question. In this figure above, I'm going to erase my. They ask you that angle summation is how much? What do you think?
I do it.
Yeah, do it. No rush.
So you first have to find out like the angle sum, and that's 180 times n minus 2.
Good. And then
It's 360
yes.
because there's 4 minus 2, which is 2 times 180
Yes,
was 360.
exactly. Very good. The total is 360. 360, 360, 360.
Yeah.
And you have a four. Yeah. You have
Yeah.
4 of them. And they ask you that guy. Somebody says this is the exterior angle. No, this is not exterior angle. That is exterior angle. That is exterior angle. The guy here is not exterior angle, but you know this guy 360. You have 4 of them, so times 4. And then the inner one summation is 180 times n minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this guy inside is 360. So you do this difference, that's it. Right?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah, very good, Steve. I'm so happy. Yeah. Since you guys are so smart, in the following class, I will keep making the question a little bit harder, give you guys some math computation question. Yeah. That's going to be exciting. This is number 4. And then number 5. Number 5 here is asking for the relationship between x and y. So we will use the exterior angle theorem several times. Look at here. I'm going to delete this. Steve, here is x. Here is 2x. So how much is this?
Oh, okay.
This is x, 2x. Well, how much will be here? This guy is the exterior angle, right?
Oh, yeah.
So this become 2.
I don't know.
Jeffrey? This
3x.
guy is x, this is 2x, this will be?
3x.
Because this guy plus here is 180. This 2 plus here is also 180, so this equals to x plus 2x, right? So this is 3x. Steve, do you agree now?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. Then Jeffrey, here is 3x, here is y. This
Yes.
part is 3y, so the equation will be
3x plus y equals 3y.
good job. Excellent. Move around, please.
What? You want me to
This y
simplify that?
around? Yeah. Move.
3x equals 2y.
So y will be? Y will be how much?
It will be 2/3 x.
So 3 over 2.
I mean 3/2, sorry.
Uh-huh. That's it. Makes sense now. Next one, Jeffrey. Look at this. Look at this graph. Let's go ahead. Have an equation, please. Go ahead, please.
What?
Do this.
Okay. 5y plus 4y equals 180.
This is full y. So 5y plus 4y is because what?
Supplementary.
You call this what?
Same side interior.
Good. So 9y is
28.
80. Okay. Next one. Annie, I'll give you a challenge question. Look at here. We first look at this triangle first. So, plus who equals to 180?
So we do 180 minus 140.
Yes.
No.
This equals to who?
40.
40. So who is 40? A plus B is 40, right? A plus B plus 140 is 180. So A plus B is 40, right?
Yes.
Next, we are not asking for A plus B, we are asking for X. But you have 2A and 2B. So times 2, 2A plus 2B will be?
80.
This is 80. That will be?
100.
Yes. Very good. Makes sense.
Yes.
Next one. I want to introduce this Pythagorean theorem, okay? Sophie, let's try here. The triangle here is 60, 60. How much will be this angle?
60.
60. If you have all the three angles 60 degrees, this is what kind of triangle?
Equivalent.
Called equilateral triangle, right?
Yeah.
Equilateral triangle. So all this will be 10, right?
Yeah.
Do we remember the right triangle Pythagorean theorem? The right triangle, the longest side guy square will be this two short guy square summation. Can you remember?
A squared plus B squared plus C squared.
Yes. So a square plus x square equals to 10 square. So x will be?
X is equal to 100 minus 64. Which is 36.
So x is?
6.
6. That's it. Okay. Hold on. I would like to show you guys where I'm going to show you guys the Pythagorean theorem. Now, you guys know that if you have a right triangle like this, if you have this part as A, this part is B, this part as C, and you always can see C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. This is always true, but why? Why this is always true? Does anybody here know how to prove this to be true? You can unmute yourself. We can work on it together. Do we have any student know why this is true? Anybody see how to prove this before? No? Okay. Show you guys. You have to open your eyes widely, okay? After I prove this to be true, you need to give me a sum up, okay? You say, oh yeah, and now it makes sense. So I'm going to show you guys this. You have the side like this. And you are going to make this chasing each other. So You have the guy here. It's not so easy to draw this graph. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Even though it's not perfect, but it's good enough to show what I want to say. So here, each of these four triangles are right triangle. Okay. And the longest side is this C, side C. All right. And then this short side, the shortest one is length A. The shortest one is length A. And the longest hypotenuse is C. And the middle one is B. The middle one is B. So they're chasing each other like this. So this guy will be A also. This guy is A. This guy is B. This guy is A. This guy is B. This guy is A. Okay, so you have a four identical right triangle chasing each other like this. And in the inside, you have a small square in the middle. And then I call the guy here. This is my B. This guy is my A. Yeah, the yellow one is A, the green one is B. The green one is B. The green one is B. But the yellow one is A. Yellow one is A. The yellow one is A. Okay, so far so good. Now, Timothy, for the triangle, for the right triangle, the longer leg is B, the short leg is A. How much is this right triangle area? This right triangle area will be? You feel it?
180.
Look. No, 180. We are not talking about degree. We are talking about a triangle area. This rectangle area is AB. Half of it is 1/2 AB, right?
Yeah.
So this guy area is 1/2 AB. Do you agree?
Yeah.
This is 1/2 AB. You understand?
Yes.
So far so good.
Yeah.
Everybody is 1/2 AB. And then after we have each part as 1/2 AB, we will figure out how long is here. I said this is what? This is B, right?
Yeah.
And this is A. That piece is B, that piece is A. So this piece will be B minus A, right?
Yeah.
The longer leg is B, the shorter leg is A. So this difference is going to be B minus A. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Is each side B minus A? Each side is B minus A, yes?
Yeah.
You have a full side. Each side is the same length. It's going to be a square. So this small square area will be?
B minus A squared.
Square. Okay,
Yeah.
now this guy times 4 plus this. It's going to be this total big square, correct?
Yeah.
So give me the equation. Who plus who equals who? You have, hold on. Okay, Steve, go ahead. I list all those area. Let's do those area summation together equals the big square. Go.
I'll just like find the areas.
This is 1/2 AB. You have 4 of
Uh,
them.
So you do that 1/2
Yep.
AB times 4
Good.
is 2 AB.
Plus.
Plus B minus A squared.
This is equals
2C squared.
not 2C squared. Each is
No,
C.
C
It's
squared.
C squared. Go. This become
2 AB.
plus
B squared minus 2 AB. Plus A squared equals C squared.
cancel the thing can be canceled.
Yeah, so you get
So-
B squared plus A squared equals C squared.
Yes. That's how we prove the Pythagorean theorem, right?
Yeah,
Makes sense now? Yeah,
yeah.
everybody show me a sum up. Did you see? I quickly proved the Pythagorean theorem to you guys. You guys don't feel happy? Yeah? Good. Now we will talk about, I draw a symbol that you will see in music. People here play piano, play violin, or play any other instrument. What's this called? Anybody know? This is what?
Triple
Nobody
A.
know? Yes, thank you. This is triplet. So I will call the Pythagorean triplet. From today, you guys need to remember this. 3, 4, 5. Because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. All right? See? Is that true? So this is the first triplet. Does anybody know some other numbers will have same rule like this? To follow this thing. This guy squared plus that guy squared equals that guy squared. Anybody know any other triplet?
16, 30, 34.
16, 30, 34. Because actually this one is the simple version of, you see this guy? You divide by 2. It's this. 8, 15, 17. Okay? Any other version? Any other?
6, 8, 10.
Wait, look, if it's multiplied by 2 or 3, we will not call it a new one, okay? We want to think about those new ones. Anybody else know any other numbers? No? I'm going to write down another. See here.
Dang it. I just got that one.
And 7, starting from 7, what's the other two? 7, 24. Go. Next one will be. This number is easy to get. Who is this number? No calculate a lot, just by your number sense. Mental math. Look. 74, 7. This guy last digits will be 5. 9, 7, 7, 49, 4, 4. This is 6. So the last digit is 5. So this guy is 25. Okay? And then 8, 15, 17. The last one is 9, 40, 41. This is the Pythagorean theorem triplets. You guys need to know this 5 pairs, 5 triplets, okay? Always. Why I need you to know? During your geometry, when they give you a triangle, they say, oh, this is 41, this is 40. And then you will say, oh, okay, 41 times 41. And then this is this. And then you do that guy minus that guy. Too slow. Don't do that way. You remember it, you get it in 1 second. It saves you a lot of time, okay? The things here is going to serve you from geometry all the way to calculus, and also in college you can, people think you are smart, you are genius. Actually, you just know this triplets, okay? Write down. This is the time for you to write down these important notes. Write down your notes. Any questions so far? Next time, if I see you, for example, if I go to HEB or Walmart, if I see you, I will say, hey, do you remember this 5 triplets? Or can you prove to me about the Pythagorean theorem? Yeah? Any questions so far? No question? Look, do you guys feel happy that I teach you something a little bit harder? Or you don't want to do so hard questions? Happy or not happy? Good. Now let's see number 9. Number 9, Angela. Here. Look at this. The thing over here is they have 3x minus 2 here, x plus 10 here. They ask you x value. What do you think? How do you get the x value? Are you able to, what can you solve? Or how do you solve? At least you know the angle, yeah?
Yes.
Let's see how much will be here.
65.
X. When you say 65, do you feel happy?
Yes.
If you have 2 angles equal, this triangle is called what kind of triangle?
Scaling.
65, 65, so this is an isosceles triangle, right?
Yeah.
Isosceles triangle, these two will be equal, yeah?
Equal, yes.
What's the reason I teach you guys a little bit harder? Sometimes school does give you some bonus question. I not only just want you to get 100, I also want your guys to get 105 or 110, okay? So your x, go solve it.
2x equals 12, so x equals 6.
Yes, you got it. Say yes, I made it. Yeah, you need to be excited. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys, very soon, either already in high school or very soon you'll be in high school. How do you get good recommendation letters? How does the teacher know you are different from others? By your class participation. You need to show your curiosity, just like Curious George, You need to show you are curious. You really care to learn a lot of things. So you want to participate in the teacher's question and being excited for showing you learn new things. Now look at this. This question is a little bit hard. I'm going to delete. I welcome a volunteer who want to do this question with me. Anybody?
Sure.
Yes, Jeffrey, let's go.
So W.
Hold on. First, we have a 30, 60, 90, right?
Yeah.
And if this is 30, 60, we draw an angle here to be 30. Then this is 90 minus 30, this is 60. So this is an equilateral triangle, right?
Yeah. What are we
So-
trying to solve?
We want to figure out the three side ratio first.
Okay.
So if this part is 1, 1, 1, right?
Yes.
This is 30, 30, so isosceles, so this is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. In this right triangle, this side is 1. This side is 2. So this side will be
Square root of 3.
square root of 3. You got it. Now, the guy here is 30 degree. The question is asking the ratio RW to WS. RW to WS. So what can you do? I give you a hint. I tell you, I don't know WS is how much, but I tell you this is X. If this is X, then how long will be this one? How long will be this?
What do you mean relative to what?
You see, it's proportional. The guy here, if this shortest is 1, the longest will be 2. The middle one is square root 3. You got it?
That one will be square root 3x.
Ah, yes. Square root 3 times X. So far, so good.
Yeah.
And then look at this. Ignore this small one. Look at this big one. 30, 60.
Then if the short one is square root of 3x, then the long one will be square root of 3x times square root of 3x.
Excellent.
So it would be 3x.
So RS is square root 3x times square root 3, which is 3x. Yes?
So RW to WS is 2.
Ah. Total is 3x. This
2 to
is
1.
x. This is 2x. So this is 2 to 1. Good. Draw this thing on your own paper. This is your important notes. Is there anyone say, I don't get it. Can you repeat? Can you explain to me? Unmute yourself. I will walk through with you again. Any question? Everybody understand this already? Aha, 11. I'm going to delete my work. I want your guys to be able to draw this. Yeah, look. In summer, I believe everyone already traveled to somewhere. Yeah. So you need to read the map. For example, if you travel to a new country, you need to have your Google map so that you are able to go to the places. No matter you are taking bus or you're taking subways, you want to know the direction. North is going up. South is going down. West is going left. Right is going east. So you want to be able to draw this graph on the paper and then being able to figure out the kitty from the starting point, how many miles, using the per second theorem that we learned just now. Have joined, mark it. If you finish, send me your pictures. Let me see what you do.
I don't get when it means measured in a straight line.
So, for example, if you go up by 5 miles and go right by 7 miles, how long is here? That's what's going on. Measured by a straight line. Okay? Not measured by a curved line. Make sense now?
Yeah.
Please send me your work. Katie, let's pay attention to here. First, go 5 miles north.
I resent it.
Oh, yeah, good. And then you go to the right, and then you will go 3 miles north, and then you ask for here. And then get this length. How much will be this? You can do something like that to figure out. Send me your work, please. Finished. Yes, very good job, Annie. Very good. Who else? Yeah, good job, Jeffrey. So the next question is joined by this, right? Yeah, you go north, and you go to east, and then you go to north again. So you have 8 square, 7 square, and you have this. Okay. Next one. Let's see here. Look at this graph. It's all about triangles. AB equals to BD. Look at here. AB and the BD equal. Which one must be true? If AB and BD equal, look. These two sides equal, so you will have these two angles equal. So they have x degree, x degree. And they mark the guy here to be y. Then your y is exterior angle. This guy equals to the other two summation. So y equals to x plus z. Y equals to x. And every angle has to be a positive angle. So suppose everybody is, you have to make this positive, there's no negative angle. So z is greater than 0, that means y will be greater than x. Okay, y will be greater than x. So y is greater than x. Which one must be true? This is number 2, which is true. Can you see your x is greater than z? Not really. For geometry, you cannot see, oh, the graph looks like this is greater than this. If you want to say something must be true, you have to prove it is true. It has to be supported by a proof so that you can say it must be true. Okay? Question so far? No question? Next one. This one is a tricky question. This one is a really tricky question. I leave this guy here. I'm going to ask you guys to think about it. The condition I want to tell you is to be able to form a triangle. The two sides summation has to be greater than this third one. You might say, no, I'm going to make a triangle, say this plus this is less than this. Look here. Timothy, if I make a triangle, this guy, this length, and then second line, this length, and I make a third one to be longer than this. The longest these two sides can form is making it to be 180 degrees. So I pull this guy to be 180. And I make my third line to be here. The longest one cannot touch here. If I form an angle, it's going to be even shorter. So that's not going to be formed as a triangle. Okay? So for you to have a triangle, A plus B has to be greater than C. And then A minus B has to be less than C. Any two sides summation greater than the third side, any two sides first less than the third side. With this and this, find out how many triangles can there be. Go ahead. If you know the answer, you text me. Which one? Yes, good job, Jeffrey. You got it correct again. Very good. Yeah, Timothy. Good job, Timothy. Who else? Jeffrey, tell us how you solve this question. Go ahead, please.
So if A plus B is greater than C, so in this case, C has to be N.
Yes.
Because N is less than 8, so 8
Uh-huh.
is the greatest number guaranteed.
Yes.
So 3 will represent A, so
Yeah.
3 plus N has to be greater than 8.
So
But
you
N
have this
is
guy. Mhm.
so that means it can be 6 or above. But
Uh-huh.
because N has to be less than 8, it can't be 8 or above. So it has to be 6 or 7.
Okay.
Those
So
two.
so N is restricted between 5 and 8, right?
Yes.
So and it's also integer. 6, 7. So only 2 because only integer. Yeah, this is not equal. You cannot make it equal. It's less than. Okay, very good. Cool. Some questions here, we haven't learned it, but I introduce a little bit. Later on, we will learn this called similar triangle or triangle similarity. You have vertical angle here equal. 90 degree here equal. These two triangles is called a similar triangle. They told you this total length is 14. If you make this side to be x, then this part 14, this part will be 14 minus x. So you have the proportion here, this guy x over 14 minus x equals to 3 here over 4. And then you can go do the cross multiplication. I already show you the work. Go ahead, write down the equation and solve the equation by yourself for you to figure out who is the AE value. If you like me to give some hard questions or a little bit hard question like this, text me privately, say, I like those hard questions. If you say, I don't like it, you can also tell me, text me privately. Okay? Or just send me an email. Do 14, do the proportion. You guys have the answer? Steven, tell me how you did this one.
I don't really get how to do it.
Do the proportion. These two triangle, they are similar, just like this guy is a small version of this. Okay, so you do this piece over this piece equals this piece over this piece. That's it. Go ahead. Say x divided by who?
X divided by 3, 14 minus x is equal to 3 divided by 4.
Good. And then you know the cross multiplication?
Yeah. 42
ahead.
minus 3x equal to 4x.
So 42 equals to who?
42 equals 7x and x equal to 6.
Good.
So the answer is B.
Yes. That's it. Make sense now? Okay. Now I'm going to see for the geometry. Today I already upload because in summer most time kids are out of town. So if you are out of town, I have already uploaded all those notes and homework. And additionally today, because everyone is doing great, so I give you guys a little bit hard question, not too hard. You can work on this one also. This is this worksheet. You don't need to do every question. You only need to do up to question 14, which we have already go over in the class. Yeah, but if you think you can handle more questions with my notes help, you can go ahead, continue doing that. All right. See the homework here. That's those easy exterior angle theorem. And then this one, It's going to be a little bit hard wording. Go to bed yourself. All right. Next class is going to be Sunday. We are going to learn the parallelogram properties. And there we will learn a lot of new stuff. That's for today's class. Students can leave, okay? Oh, by the way, Angela and Annie stay with me. Other students can leave now. Thank you. Angela and Annie, yeah, thank you for being back to my class.